Hello, my dear student. I am welcoming you to our Mane Education Academy, which is the very helpful and suggestive and which is giving you the study materials through the videos and notes also. And so I request all of you to comment, to like, share and subscribe my videos and support me to make new videos for you. Thank you. Let us study the first chapter of 10th Social Science, Advent of European to India. In this chapter, we are going to study the main topics are the trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe, the arrival of Europeans to India for trade, the Carnatic Wars, the Battle of Plassey, the Battle of Buxar, and dual government system, the British policy of aggression. These are the topics very important which we are going to study in this lesson. In this video, I am making the part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. That is why I request all of you to know this whole chapter. You must see the 4 videos properly and you can like it very nicely. I am giving presentation and notes with notes for you. So let us study important points. Since ancient times, the trade relationship between India and Europe have been the main focus on spices. This trade was taken place through the Constantinople, which was the international exchange of goods and goods, which was known as international exchange of goods, and it also known as the gate of European trade. This Constantinople city, it has its own importance in the history for the purpose of trade in between India and Europe. There was a great demand in Europe for the Indian spices like pepper, cardamom, ginger, etc., which I am presenting in front of you. These are the spices which are the mainly Europeans trading with India from the ancient times. This trade which was taken place Constantinople through the Asian and to Europe. On the Asian market, the Arab traders had their own monopoly over the trade. In the Europe, the Italian traders had the monopoly over the trade. In this way, the trade was going on till 1453. But in 1453, the great incident took place in the history. Because of that, the history changed by this incident. Which was that incident? This incident is the Constantinople's fall of Constantinople. We know in the history as this. In the 1453, the Ottoman Turks captured this city. Which city? The Constantinople city, and imposed the heavy tax on the trade which was taken place through this route. And because of this heavy taxes, the European traders becoming in loss. We are going to see in this map the Constantinople, the today's name is Istanbul. This is the route which was connected to Asia and Europe, and through this Istanbul, through this Constantinople, the trade was taken place from the ancient time. But after the 1453, there was a great necessity to find out the new sea route to India, because the heavy taxes was imposed by the Turks, and because of this the European traders were in loss, and they, European countries, encouraged the courageous sailors to find out a new sea route to India. In this period, the scientific discoveries were took place. The many discoveries were like the gunpowder, maps, compass, astrolabes were invented, and these scientific discoveries helped to European sailors to find out the new sea route to India. And with the help of these discoveries, they started to find the new sea route, and many sailors went to find out. Among them Columbus was one. He went in search of India, but he reached to America, the new world he discovered in this period, all of you know. But the very successful person was the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama. He reached to India through this route from Portuguese. See in the map this route. He came to Africa continent and round up it and turned towards the India and reached to west coast of India near Calicut, Kappadu. Okay, in this video we are going to conclude still this. In the second part, in the second video, we can see the next topics I am going to explain you. Please sit and